Yes, sir.
Yeah, inheritance already completed. Did I completed like a super keyword?
Yes, sir. Super is also completed.
Super also completed. Why super key?
Private
Why super keyword?
child class want to call parent class, we use the super keyword.
Exactly. Child class members will call the child
Parent
class
class.
members will call the parent class
Parent.
members. Called as what? Called as the super keyword or not? Called as
Yes,
the
sir.
super keyword. Yes. And one more thing. Let me go through the another thing. After completing this one,
We also completed private variable.
underscore underscore
Yes, sir.
underscore underscore we can call the private variables.
So,
Fine. Nagababu, can I go to our branch itself? Nagababu, what is our branch name? It check out
batch 2.
batch 2. Go to the oops. Yeah, Samir, one more point. Protected variables, not private variables. Protected variables. Protected variables available to child classes. Protected variables unable to access with the help of objects. Protected variables availability to only direct child classes. Only direct child classes. Protected variables unable to access with the help of object. And one more point. Single underscore. Single underscore used to access protected variables. Single underscore. Which one? Single underscore used to access the protected variables. Fine. Can you please talk with Megan here? Respond. You need to talk with Megan here. What are the protected variables? How to represent the protected variables?
Single underscore.
Answer. How to single underscore. Accessible to what?
Child
Accessible
class.
to what? Direct child class or not?
Yes.
Accessible to direct child. Yes or not? One try to say this one. Here, class, class parent. And here, definition underscore underscore init. And self dot underscore x equal to 100. Samir, is it a protected variable? Yes, protected variable. Next one. Class, class child, class a child, class a child. Try to say this one. Class a child. Is it a parent class? Yes or not? Contain nothing. Nothing contain here. But even though nothing, this X accessible to child or not?
Yes.
Accessible to child. But we are unable to call with the help of object. Try to say this one. Here, I will do something. Obj equal to child. Child. And how to call it? Print, print obj data underscore x. Check ourselves. I'm not sure. Accessible now. Accessed or not? Accessed.
Yes.
1 second. Let me check it. Is it a protected variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the protected variable. Accessible or not?
Accessible inside.
Accessible inside the class. Not meant to access directly from the outside the class by conversion, the convention. 2 minutes time. Let me check it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 point. Because other languages are different here. That points are not matching here. Yes. See this one we can access with the help of other objects, but this is not valid in the other languages. Yeah, leave it here. Samir, what is the keyword? Protected, na? The
Protected,
keyword
sir.
is
Yes.
the protected keyword. Yeah. How to represent protected members? Underscore,
Single. Yeah.
single underscore. Use to represent the
Protected
use it to
variable.
represent the protected member. Use it to represent the protected members. And one more point. Hmm. Accessible to accessible to direct child classes. Accessible to direct child classes. Unable to access in other classes. Unable to access in other classes. Yes, sir, madam. For example, try to say this one. Parent and child. Parent and child. Parent protected member accessible to child. Parent protected member accessible to child care. Prasad garu. Protected member unable to access in other classes. Other classes. I will show one example here. Then only you can get the clarity.
It's confusing
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. Prasad garu try to say this one. Class, child, class, parent, class na. Respond, all the people respond. Class, parent, class na. Class, parent. How to take the constructor? Answer, you people need to tell how to take the
And
constructor. Hmm.
underscore init.
Yeah. Underscore. Init na.
Init.
Init. Here say
Self.
this one. Self dot underscore x na equal to 100. Fine. Now take the child here. How to take the child? Class,
Child
child.
of parent.
One related to place, parent. Now try to say this one. Here, uh, even though empty, is
Mhm.
this X availability to child?
No.
Agbabu, yes, available. This
Yes.
X availability to child. How to create the object? How to create the object? Respond. How to create the object? Obj equal to X
Child.
equal to child na.
Right.
Obj equal to child. Obj equal to child care. Obj equal to child care, and we are able to call it. How to call it? Print.
Into
Obj
OBJ.
dot underscore x. Print obj dot underscore x. Automatically we're able to call it. Automatically we're able to call it. Automatically we're able to see the result also. Yes, sir, meta. And one more point I need to tell. Fine. One outside class, completely outside class. How to create a completely outside class? Class. Try to say this one. Class. Which class?
No.
Other class na. Respond. Any relationship between parent, child, and other class?
No.
No relation,
No.
na? No relation. Take the constructor here. Definition, underscore init. Self comma, what you wanted to place? OBJ. Self comma OBJ here. See this one, self dot OBJ equal to, OBJ. Got it or not? Fine. Yeah, try to say this one. How to create the object to the child class? Try to say this one. Is this a child class able to access X?
Yes.
Yes,
Means
sir.
sir.
is this child class? Is this child class able to access X?
Yes.
Yes. This child class object pass here. I'm asking you, pass child class object here. How to pass it? Fine. How to create object to the parent? How to create the object to the child? OBJ equal to child or not?
Child.
Equal to
Yeah.
child. Samir, this OBJ you need to pass it here. Okay, na? How you can pass it here? How you can
Child
pass
dot
it here?
obj.
OBJ1 equal to or x equal to other or not?
Obj.
X equal to other or not? Other of OBJ or not?
Yes.
Mm.
Yes or not? Whatever
Yes.
the OBJ is there, whatever the OBJ is there, that OBJ stored here or not?
Mhm.
Answer that OBJ stored here or not? That OBJ finally stored here or not? Finally, this OBJ representing what? This OBJ representing
100.
what? Class object or not?
Failed.
Yes.
Child class object. Got it or not? This child class at present contain the underscore x or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes or not? Available. But that underscore x we are unable to access. Check the proof. We needed to check the proof. Now here, uh, obj dot, not obj x, x dot, what is the another variable? Obj dot underscore x. Check it whether we are able to access that or not. We needed to check. Are accessible na?
Yes, sir. It's accessible.
They told like not accessible.
బట్ సార్ ప్రీవియస్గా మీరు చెప్పిన దానికి దీనికి పెద్ద డిఫరెన్స్ ఏం కనిపించట్లేదు కదా సార్.
అదే కదండి ఇప్పుడు యాక్సెస్ అవ్వకూడదు. యాక్సెస్ అయితే ఇంకా డిఫరెన్స్ ఏముందండి?
అట్లా కాదు, అదొకటి. బట్
Hmm.
ఏమన్నారంటే మీరు ప్రొటెక్టెడ్ వేరియబుల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఓన్లీ చైల్డ్ క్లాస్కే యాక్సెసిబుల్ అన్నారు, రైట్?
Accessible to child class, but it won't accessible to
Sir.
other
అదర్
classes. Other classes. That is the
క్లాస్.
difference. But ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? But accessible. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది? But it is accessible or not? That point
Yes.
is
Yes.
wrong. Yeah, that point is the wrong. Yeah, what they are saying because it's not real protected member now. Team, just to leave it here because I needed to verify it. I needed to verify, just leave it here. Because they are saying like underscore is the protected. They are saying like not really protected.
Mm.
Not
That's
really
it.
protected. Meaningless words. Wait here. I will verify that protected again, team. Don't waste the time there itself.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
One second.
You also told about the hashable numbers. How to.
You were asking like which one is the hash full or something. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
will check it out. Fine. Now, team, say this one, just leave that one here. And we need to say the another thing. Fine. What is overriding? What is the concept now? What is overriding? Child class functionality overriding the parent class functionality. See this one. Coming to the child class functionality. Child class functionality overriding the parent class functionality. That is called as the overriding. Fine. For example, try to say this one. Here I have the class parent. Which one we have? Class parent. How to create one function? Definition, DB function, definition, DB function. Now, say this one. What it is returning? Return. Return, say this one. MySQL. MySQL connection zone. Simply we need to place what we need to place? MySQL connection zone. One thing. One more thing. Class child. Class child. Which one? Parent. Fine. Now say this one. Create the same function. Don't create any other function. Create the same function. DB function. DB function return. Return, try to say this one. Return MongoDB connection. So return what? Return MongoDB connection. So got it or not? Try to say this one. Here, observe this one here. For example, is it a parent class functionality? Respond. Is it a
Yes.
parent
Sir.
class
Yes.
functionality?
Yes.
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 This
Yes.
parent class functionality overriding with the child class functionality. Say this one, Samir. Whatever the old functionality is there, this old functionality deleted and updated with what? Latest functionality.
MongoDB.
Uh, Latest functionality. That is called as the overriding one. Yeah, Samir, please explain again if anyone asked you what is the overriding. Overriding parent class functionality with the
Child
Child.
class
Plus.
function.
child class functionality. Parent class contain which function?
DB
DB
function.
function. Child class also contain which function? DB
DB
function.
DB function.
Parent class contain the DB function. Child class also must contain same DB
DB
function.
function.
Then this one we can call the overriding.
Over.
One team, try to say this one. We need to place the point here. What is the point I need to place? Overriding. Samir explain here. Overriding. Overriding parent
Parent
class functionality.
function with the child class.
Overriding parent class functionality with the with
Child
the
Child
class
class.
uh, child class functionality.
functionality.
Child class functionality called as what? Called as
O-
Overriding.
function of overriding. Yes or not? And another point. Overriding comes under overriding. Overriding comes under polymorphism. Comes under what? Comes under polymorphism. Yes or not? Fine. Now create the object to the child class. How to create an object to the child class? How to create a obj1 equal to obj1 equal to child.
Child.
So basically, we are able to create object to the child and call the function. How to call the function? How to call
Object
the
Then
one dot
obj1 dot obj1 dot db
DB
function.
function.
obj1 dot db function. Automatically, we are able to get it. Now run the code again.
positional argument is
By position,
self.
because say this one.
Yeah, self.
It's a instance method na.
Yes, sir.
Compulsory you need to pass the self. Yes, we got it. Team execute this one. And can I ask one question to you? If I create object to the parent, I wanted to create an object to the parent. Which function we are able to access? Only this function. You are
Sir.
saying no relationship between parent to child. At that time, parent contain old functionality na. Parent contain old functionality or not? Parent contain old functionality. One. Team execute this one.
ఓకే లేకపోతే తర్వాత చేయవచ్చు. Okay.
Once completed, give the confirmation.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Can I go to the another example? Reply team.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to the one more example? Let me have a look into the one more example.
Okay, sir.
Vamsi. Got it now, Vamsi. Next one, example 17. Let me go to the example 17. So, what is the example 17? Overloading. Example 17 is the overloading. But unfortunately, overloading. But unfortunately, overloading not supported by the Python. Unfortunately, overloading not supported by Python. But at any cost, I need to achieve the overloading. Try to say this one. Overloading. One. Yeah, I will let you know what is the overloading. Same function name with multiple parameters. With multiple parameters. Function name is the same. Function name is the same with multiple parameters called as overloading. Yeah, Samir, I will show one example. Class, test class. Okay, now how to create addition function? How to create
Define,
function? Definition. Add na,
add.
add. Add of self na,
Yes, sir.
self comma, num1 comma, num2. How many parameters you passed?
Two parameters.
Two parameters. Result equal to what? Num1 plus num2 na,
Sir.
num2. Print what? Print the result or not?
Yes, sir.
Result. Definition. Once again add function. Samir, once again add function. Self comma, num1 comma, num2 comma, num3. How many parameters we passed? Three
Three.
parameters. Yes or not? Result equal to num1 plus num2 plus what is the another thing? Num3. Result equal to num1 plus num2 plus num3 and print it. We need to print it. Print what? Print the result. Fine. Now tell me, yeah, here what is the name of the function?
Add function.
How many parameters?
Two parameters.
What is the name
Yes.
of the function?
Add
Add.
Same name. Same name.
Yes, sir.
But how many parameters?
three.
Three
Three.
parameters.
Then this one we can call the overloading. Rajgar, frame your own statement. Same function name with
Different
different
parameters.
parameters. Same function name with different parameters. We can call overloading.
Loading.
But unfortunately, overloading also not supported. Fine. Whatever the previous function we have, that previous function overriding with the latest function. Rajgar, internally, this function never be there. It will be deleted. Only which function we have? Only which function we have? Only we have this function here. Fine. Samir, I will show the output here. How to create the object to the test function. Test class. Obj equal to
OBJ equals to test.
obj equal to test. Samir, how to call this add? I need to call this add. How to call obj
OBJ
dot
dot
add or
add.
not? Add of 100 comma 200. 100 comma 200. According to your thinking here, this is 200 store to
Number.
Understood.
100
Number.
store to number.
number.
200
This is
store
100 store to num2. Result is the
300.
300. Check it here. But are we able to get it? No.
No.
I'm trying to call this one. I'm trying to call this one. Python saying to you, don't you are unable to call this one. You are allowed to call this one. Now try to say this one. Pass the 300. If I pass the 300, this is 100 store to
Number.
Number.
num1. This is 200 store to
Num two.
Number.
num2. This is 300 store to
Number
Num
3.
three.
got the result now. Say
Yes,
this
sir.
one. Are we able to call this add function?
No.
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 Reply team, no, say this one. This a function overriding with this function. So overloading also not supported by Python. Overriding will be happen. Whatever the two parameter function is there, overriding with the three parameter. For example, I wanted to create another thing here. I wanted to create another thing here. class add self, class add self, num1 comma, num1 comma, num2 comma, next one is the num3 comma, num4, num1 comma, num2 comma, num3 comma, next one is what, num4, and another thing. And another thing is the go to the result here. Result equal to num1 plus result equal to num1 plus num2 plus num2
Num
plus next one
3,
is what,
num 4.
num3 plus next one is what, num4. And here what we need to do is print.
The
What
result.
you want to print?
Yes.
Result. Say this one. Internally what happened? Internally what happened? These
Overload.
two functions will be deleted coming to our
Yes.
level of understanding.
Mm.
Which function we have? Only this function.
Last
Only
Yes.
this function. But Rasgar, how many parameters I need to pass?
Four
4.
parameters.
4.
4.
But how many parameters we pass?
3.
Three.
Will it work or error?
No
Error.
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 Error. Try to say this one. Comma what? Comma 400.
400.
Yes. Team execute this code. Anyone completing? Respond. You people need to respond.
Completed, sir.
Fine. Next one. Samir, but I need 2 argument function. I need 3 argument function. I need 4 argument function. Samir got my point, huh? Which one you required? 2 argument function. Next one, 3 argument
Three.
function. And next one, 4 argument function. I need everything. How to achieve it? How to achieve it here? Class test. Class test. Next one, definition. Definition, add. Next one is the self, comma, dot, nums. Simply we should be in a position. What we need to do place dot, nums we need to do pass. Team, what's the problem here? Dot, or what do you call star na? Can I call the star or not? Star nums. One try to say this one. Samir, because of star, nums behaves like a tuple or not?
Yes, sir.
Nums behaves like a tuple or not? Nums behaves like a tuple. Yes or not? How to find the sum of it? How to find the sum of it? print print sum of nums or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? That's one of the predefined function. How to create the object? Obj equal to test or not? Obj equal to test. Obj dot which function? Add function. 10 comma 20. Say this one. This is 10 20. Store to tuple or not? Tuple.
Mhm.
So is it a sum of nums or not? Sum of nums in the sense 30 or not? Sum of nums in the sense the answer is the 30 here. Yes or not? And another thing. Are we able to call more than two parameters? Yes. Obj dot add of 10 20 30 here. 10 20 30 here. Now answer is the different answer here. And another thing. Obj dot add of 10. Obj dot add of. Try to say this one. Obj dot add of 10 20 30 40. 10 20 30 40 here. Now you are able to see the other result here. Yes or not? But try to
Yes.
say this one here. So this nums behaves like what?
Apple.
This nums behaves like what? Tuple. So what is the use of this tuple? Uh, able to hold more than one parameter na? More than
Yes.
one parameter or not? More than one parameter. Indirectly, are we achieving overloading?
Yes,
Are
sir.
we
Yeah.
achieving overloading concept? Yes, we are achieving overloading concept. In Python, if you wanted to achieve overloading, at that time, we need to go for the tuple parameter, variable length parameter. What do you call? Technically, we can call variable length parameter. Fine, execute it. Quit editing. You people need to execute. Yeah. What we discussed, Tim, today? Today, what we discussed about overloading and
Overrated.
overriding.
Override.
Prasad, what is overriding?
Parent
What
class
is overriding?
functionality with the child class functionality.
Parent class functionality overriding with the
Child
Child class
class.
called as the overriding. What is overloading?
same function name with multiple parameters.
Yeah. Will it support?
No.
No.
No. But how to achieve?
Using
By
tuple.
change.
By using the variable length. By using variable length parameter. By using variable length parameter, we are able to achieve it. Okay, na? Fine. Team. Let me go through the another example. I need to. Can I go to the another example or do I need to wait? See.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Samir. I need to go for one more example. Let me go through the one more example. Class level variables. Which variables are? I need you to go for one more concept here. Then that concept we can call class level variables. Okay, na? What are the class level variables? Samir. One single variable related to class. This is a variable related to class, not related to object. Previously, this X related to object 1, object 2, object 3. So many things are there now. But now, say this one. Whatever the variable is there, that a variable related to class, not related to any object.
Okay.
Got it? I will let you know one point. Samir, college name is there. College name common to the all the people or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? College name. College name uh, common to what? All the students. Yes or not? Roll number is there. You know the roll number? Na? Roll number
Yes,
also same or different?
Different.
unique, sir.
Different or not? Roll number is the different. Yes or not? Fun.
Yes.
Is a college name related to global or not?
Global X. Yeah.
Global. Yes or not? Then such a type of concept we can call class level variables. Yes or not? Common to all the people. Common to all the people. Technically, we can call class level variable. I will show one example, at least you can get the clarity here. Fine. Samir, say this one for example. Example 18.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Which class?
Yeah.
Test. College equal to some college. I needed to place some CBAT college. Some college is there. Yes or not? Fine. Now try to say this one. How to access it? Uh, if you wanted to access, try to say this one. Print test.college. Yeah, how to access class level variable? This is a variable, what do you call? This is a variable we can call class level variable. How to access it? Test2.cpat, test2.college. Automatically, we are able to access it. Try to say this one. Yes, we got the CPAT. Samir, not only class name, we can access with the help of object also. Try to say this one. obj1 equal to test or meta.
Sir.
Test. How to access it? Print. Print. obj1 data. obj1 dot college or meta. College.
Yes.
Samir, first point. obj1 will look for any instance variable. Do we have any instance variable here?
No, sir.
No.
Do we have any instance variable like a college?
No, sir.
If
No.
not, if not, automatically class level variable will be accessed. Panitim, I'm repeating again here. Is it an object of the class? Tell me,
Yes,
yaar, tell me, is it an
yes,
object
sir.
of the class? Yes, sir. Yeah. This object looking for instance variable. Do we have any instance variable like a college?
No,
No.
sir.
No. Automatically, it will access what? Class level
Class
variable.
Class
level
level
variable.
Try
variables.
to say this one. Try to say this one. Here I need to replace the obj2. obj2. obj2 equal to what we need to replace test and print it. Print. What we need to do print obj2. obj2 dot college. obj2 dot college. I think are we
Yes.
able to access with the help of object or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Answer, are we able to access with the help of object or not? Yes,
Yes.
we are able to modify, we are able to access with the help of object also. But is it recommended approach or not recommended approach? Not recommended approach. This is not the recommended approach here. This is not the recommended approach here. I'm accessing instance variable, but unfortunately, instance variable not available. So that's why class level variable accessed. Say this one. I'm accessing obj2 instance variable. Unfortunately, instance variable not available. So that's why class level variable accessed. T, this is the interview question. Is it nothing but accessing the class level variable or not? No. It's just nothing but accessing the instance variable only. But unfortunately, it is not available. So that's why Python accessing the class level variable. So that is the answer you people need to tell. Fine. Execute the code.
Can you explain an example with the instance variable as well, so that I
Why
can
not?
know?
Next example. Next example is the same example.
Yeah.
Anyone completed?
Completed.
Babu, can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir.
Babu, try to say this one more example. Samir, how to create one class? Class, test class, na?
Yes.
Test class. Now, say this one. Here, is it a class level variable?
Yeah.
Yes or not? Is it a class level variable? Yes, this is the class level variable. Am I right or not? And another thing. Now, how to create an instance variable? How to
Yeah.
create instance variable? Underscore init or not? Yes or not? Self dot call is equal to self dot call is equal to I wanted to place the KLU. Something I needed to place it. Got it
Yeah.
or not? This is which variable?
Class
variable.
Class level variable. This is which variable?
instance.
Instance variable. Instance variable here. Now try to say this one. Obj equal to which one? Test. Yes or not? Otherwise say this one. Later we can access it. One. Print, 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 test data, college. Answer.
CB.
KL. KL.
Why KLU? This is the class name or not?
Okay.
Class name dot college. What do you call?
CBIT.
CBIT. Samir, don't confuse. CBIT. Now, Samir, create the object here. Object. Create the object here. Access it now. Print obj data. Print obj dot college. Samir, you are accessing which variable now?
Instance.
Instance variable.
variable.
Answer is the
KLU.
KLU. Fine. Samir, unfortunately, assume here it's not there. Assume here it's not there. If it is not there, say this one. Do we have any instance variable?
No.
No.
If not, automatically it is pointing to.
CBIT. Yes, sir.
Class variable.
Got the clarity now?
Yeah.
Yes. Now execute editing. Actually, today I needed to close this one thing, but it will take some time now.
Completed, sir.
Share file.
Team, can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me go through another example. We should be in a position. We need to go through another example. Try to say this one here. One more example we need to say. One. How to create test class. Class test na. Reply class test na. Answer it in. Is it a test class or not? Test
Yes.
class. Now nothing is there. How to create the object? How to create the object? Obj equal to test na. Test. Add one variable. Obj dot x equal to 100. Samir, I'm trying to add one instance variable. This is which variable? Reply,
Instance.
this is which variable? Instance variable. Myself, I'm trying to add one variable. Then that variable we can call the instance variable. Instance variable added or not? Added. After adding the instance variable, how to access it again? Obj.x. Say this one. Adding one instance variable. After adding the instance variable, access instance variable again. Got it, huh? One. Can you explain line number? What is the 317? Line number 317. What is the line number 317? Adding what?
Instance variable.
Adding instance variable. Na? Adding instance variable. What is the line number 390?
Accessing the
Calling
Accessing what? Accessing instance.
instance variable.
Adding instance variable. Next one is the accessing instance variable here.
హలో
Yes.
గారు
చెప్పాలండి. హలో.
ఓకే ఓకే అండి అదే నేను స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయిందాం అనుకున్నాను అందుకే ఒకసారి
Okay. Fine. Team, can I go to another example?
Yes, sir.
Are you there, na team?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me go to another example. Fine. Now, try to say this one. Let me have a look into the one more example. Samir, how to modify class level variable? Class test. Class test. Name equal to hello. Nagababu, is it a class level variable or instance variable?
class level.
Class level variable care. Yes or not? Whatever the variable we have, this a variable we can call class level variable. Fine. How to modify it? Test dot name equal to. Test dot name equal to. Here I need to pass the generative AI. What is the old name? Hello.
Hello.
That hello replaced with the
Gen
gen AI and print it. Print test dot name. Got it now? Fine. Execute it. Example 21 representing what? Modifying Which one? Modifying class level variable.
Class level variable.
పాత team, can I go for another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Samir, this is nothing but modifying the class level variable. Yes, sir, Nata.
Yep.
Not only this approach, we have another approach also. How to modify the class level variable. I will let you know one more approach. Say this one. Example 22. And I will show the one more approach. Class, which class? Test class na? Test class. Name equal to hello. This is which variable?
Class
Class.
variable.
Yeah. Define one function. Define one function here. Hello function or a test function. Define this a test function. Why this function? Modify the class level variable or not? Yes, sir, not. Modify which variable? Class level variable. So at that time, we need to pass one predefined keyword. Then that keyword we can call the class CLS keyword. If I pass a CLS keyword, then this function becomes like a class level function, not instance function.
Okay.
Gopal, you got it now. If I pass the self, this function becomes like a
Instance.
instance function. If I pass a Satish, if I pass a CLS keyword, what happened? This function behaves like a
Class.
class level function. Try to say this one. Class dot name equal to class dot name equal to here I need to plus the some agentic AI. Some agentic AI here. One. What is the old value?
Hello.
Hello.
That hello overriding with the
Agentic AI.
is it a instance function or class level function?
Class
Class.
level function.
If it is a class level function, how to call it? Test dot test function na
Yes,
test
sir.
dot test function automatically we are able to call it. And after calling, access it again here. How we need to access test dot name na
Tested out.
test dot simply we need to access it. What is the parameter missed? CLS na? Array. Let me check it. It is saying like a pass which one? It is saying like pass the class name also again.
Next.
Got the AJTK. Fine. Team try to say this one. This is which variable?
Class
Level
level
variable.
variable.
Class.
How we modified it? With the
Using
help of which
Using
function?
class level function.
Class level function. How to recognize class level function?
With
CLS.
CLS
With the help
keyword.
of which keyword? CLS keyword. Here, with the help of CLS keyword, we are able to create the class level function here. Yes, sir. How to call a class level function? Test dot test function.
Function name.
We need to pass the class name again, but they told the syntax like that here. And after that, we need to access the name again. Execute it. These syntaxes here frequently we are not using. So that's why only sometimes it's not executing.
Class test. Equals to definition. Civilians.
Class level variable one copy or multiple copies, sir? Respond here, is it contain only one copy or multiple copies, sir? Only one copy.
Copy.
And instance variables? Instance variables T. Only one copy or multiple copies, sir? Respond instance multiple copies or not?
Yes, sir. Multiple copies.
Team once completed, give the confirmation.
Completed, sir.
T. Can I go to the another example?
Yes, sir.
Answer it. Can I go to the one more example? Anyone?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One more example we need to say. Here, example 23. Example 23 we need to say. Samir, what is the function name? Test function. Na? Is it a test function?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Unfortunately, I don't know code. Myself, I don't know code. Samir, say this one. Is it a test function? Yes. What's the problem with me? I don't know code. But who knows code? My friend knows the code. Got it or not? Fine. Myself, I don't know the code. But who knows the code? One of my friend knows the code. At that time, whatever the function we have, then that function we can call abstract function. Yes or not? Fine. Samir, say this one. Yourself, you know function, but you don't know implementation. Who knows implementation? Your friend. Your friend knows the implementation. Then that concept we can call abstract method. But team, I will let you know. Try to say this one what we need to do. How to create the abstract method. From ABC package. From ABC package, import what? Import ABC class. The import what? Abstract method. And import what? We need to import the abstract method here. But Samir, how to declare the abstract method? With the help of what? Abstract method or not? Abstract method. This abstract method available in which package? ABC package. And what is the class name? ABC class. But try to say this one. Here I need to place the test class. Then Samir, what is the function name? What is the
Function name.
function name? The function name is the my function. My function. Do you know code?
No, sir.
No, if you don't know code, at that time, this one we can call abstract method or not.
Yes, sir.
Abstract method. This class should inherit from one of the predefined class. What is the predefined class? ABC class.
ABC.
Next one. Say this one. And who knows implementation? Who knows implementation? Yeah, my friend knows the implementation. What he knows? My function. This my function present into where?
Test.
The my function present
Test
into where?
class.
Test or not? Test. Try to say this one. How to provide implementation? How to provide implementation? Here I need to place print. Print. What we need to do print? We should be in a position we need to print the hello. Fine. Samir, don't take the risk here, but very simple point. Samir, what is my class name?
Test.
Test. What is my friend name?
Test 1.
Test one. Myself, I don't know code. But who knows the code? My friend knows the code. Yes or not? If you don't know code, how to tell that information at the rate
Using
abstract
abstract
method.
method.
And
Abstract.
yeah, and not only that one, if you wanted to use abstract method, we need one class. Which class?
ABC
We
class.
need one class. Which class? ABC class. That ABC class abstract method available in which package? ABC
ABC
package.
package.
ABC package. How to create the object? obj equal to obj
Test
equal to
1.
test one. Obj equal to test one here. And simply we need to call
OBJ dot
obj dot which one? My
my
function.
function.
Yes, we got the answer on it. Bhaskar, please explain this one. Please explain this one here. What is the class name?
Test.
Test class. What is the function name?
My function.
Do I know the implementation?
No.
Who knows? Test one.
Test one.
Razgar, if you don't know implementation, what is the annotation you need to use? At the rate
Extra.
abstract method. This at the rate abstract method available into which package?
ABC.
ABC package. Got it or not? Under test one knows the implementation. Team execute it.
Is it not similar to overriding?
No, no, no. Yeah, I think we can call overriding only. Overriding is different here. I will tell the exact use case. In the example 24, I will tell the exact use case here where we are using the abstract. Your thinking is correct. Samba, this is also related to overriding now because parent class won't contain any code, but child class providing the functionality. Indirectly, you are saying like overriding. Yes, your thinking is correct. But I will let you know in the real time where we are using the abstract. Hey, can I go to another example? Exact use case team where we are using. Can I show it?
Sure.
Reply. Can I show the where we are using exactly in the real time?
Sure.
Yes. Let me see this one where we are using exactly in the real time. We need to see it. Fine. Yeah. Samir, coming to myself, I wanted to start one business. So that is my thought. Okay. But unfortunately, I don't know how to start it, where to start it. I don't know that one. Say this one. Class business. Okay. What is my thought? Definition. Definition. Start the business.
You want to start the business, you don't know. Okay.
But I don't know how to start, where to start. I stuck with there itself. Got it or not? Myself, I wanted to start the business. But unfortunately, I don't know how to start the business, where to start the business. I stuck it or not? I stuck it. If it is a stuck, it's a question mark or not? It's a question
Yes, sir.
mark. So if it is a question mark, how to mark like a question mark? I need to mark this a class is the question mark class. Any use of this class? No use because nothing is there. Just a thought is there. Implementation
Yeah.
not there.
Mhm.
Just idea is there. But any
Yeah.
implementation of that idea? No
No.
implementation. Just how to tell that information from ABC.
See,
From ABC, import what?
maybe it's
Import
capture.
ABC. Next one is for abstract method. Fine. Try to say this one here. And here we need to place for ABC. And here what we need to place? Here what we need to place abstract method. Yeah. Samir, it's just nothing but your idea, my idea.
Okay.
Even though if I create the object to this business, any output?
No.
No, because it's a
We are
just idea, no code is there. So that's
okay.
why we are unable to create the object to the business. Try to say this one. Obj equal to, try to say this one. Obj equal to, I need to press the business. Check it out. Whether we're able to create the object or not, we need to check it again. Are we able to create the object? No, we are unable to create the object. Say this one. For the abstract method classes, we are unable to create the object. But Samir, in the previous example, are we able to create the object of overriding example? Yes or not? You are able to create the object. But Samir, but luckily, I have a lot of friend circle. So many friends are there. Different
Mm.
friends. One, that friends suggested me. Friend one suggested one business. Friend 2 suggested another business, and friend 3 suggested another business because I have a lot of friend circle here. Say this one. Class friend 1. Class friend 1. Try to say this one. Class friend 1. So he's my friend or not? Yes, sir. He's my friend. What he told, he suggested me. He suggested me, say this one. He suggested me, start development center. Got it or not? Say this one. And here I have another friend. Say this one. Friend two. Friend two. And here what we need to do place business. Here what we need to do place. And here we need to do place a start business. Here he suggested me what? Start edtech company. Edtech company. And like this also, I have so many friends are not. So many friends are there. Only one thought. And how many implementations we have? How many implementations we have? Multiple implementations are not. Multiple implementations. Then that concept we can call the abstract class. But Samir, if I follow friend one, I'm able to start on a development center or not. Samir,
Yes, sir.
if I follow my friend two, I'm able to start edit a company or not. Edit a company here. But how to create the object? obj1 equal to obj1 equal to we need to do plus the friend one. obj1 equal to friend one here. And here I need to call it print obj1 dot print obj1 dot start business. Start business of self we need to pass.
Self is not defined.
Yes, say this one. I followed which friend one or not? Friend
Sir.
one. And if I take the input for my friend two, obj2 equal to obj2 respond obj2 equal to
Friend
friend two
two.
dot
Friend two.
friend two and print it. Print what we need to do.
obj2
obj2
dot
start.
start business.
Now immediately I'm starting which business? Edit
Edtech
company.
company.
Edit company. Yeah. Got it or not? But yeah, Samir, in the real time, they will use the abstract like this. See this one. This is the manager thought. That manager contains so many subordinates. Subordinate 1 provided this implementation. Subordinate 2 provided this implementation. Finally, manager will review the developer 1 implementation, developer 2 implementation, developer n implementation. And he will decide which one is the best solution. And he will pick that solution. And one more point. Are we able to create object to the business? Are we able to create the object to the business class? No, na.
No, sir.
No. We are unable to create an object to the business class. Samir, this is one of the real-time use case. Team execute the code. Little bit boring, Natti. I hope it's a today class is a little bit boring. Fine.
Not only boring, it's confusing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And I think Gopal Gara will stop it and because still I have the protected is there. Protected exact use cases.
Okay. Yeah.
And the next important then do we have anything? Which classes the hash pull something and he asked it something and I needed to cover it up. Fun. ఇంకా ఆపుదామండి టీమ్ టుమారో సాటర్డే కెన్ ఐ టేక్ ఇట్ ఆర్ కెన్ ఐ టేక్ ద క్లాస్ ఆన్ ద మండే చాయిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ టీమ్
Your choice.
I'm ready to take class. I'm ready to take the class. If you ask me, Samba take the class tomorrow, I'm ready to take it. If you wanted to join tomorrow team, I'm ready to take the 2 to 2.5 hours also. I will give the breaks also because we don't have any office now. So if you people allowed me, I will take the 2 to 2.5 hours also tomorrow. If you people are able to join. Team, can I take it? Reply,
Yeah.
no need to hesitate here.
Yes, sir.
No need to hesitate.
So if it's 1 hour, that's okay, sir. 2.5 hours, sir.
వంశీ వంశీ కూల్ అండి వంశీ అసలు ఏది వదిలిపెట్టండి వంశీ అసలు మీరు చెప్పినా నేను వదిలిపెట్టండి చెప్పపోయినా నేను వదిలిపెట్టండి వంశీ క్రియేటింగ్ ద క్లాస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద ఎన్కాప్సులేషన్
Okay, sir.
వంశీ ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎ క్లాస్
Class
వంశీ చెప్పాలండి క్లాస్ వంశీ క్రియేటింగ్ ద క్లాస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద ఎన్కాప్సులేషన్ గాట్ ఇట్ వంశీ మీరు నన్ను అడిగినా నేను ఏ ఒక్క టాపిక్ వదిలిపెట్టనండి మీరు నన్ను అడగపోయినా వదిలిపెట్టాం అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోనండి. 100% జస్టిఫికేషన్ చేస్తానండి. ఓకేనా? ఫైన్, నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి వంశీ. ఫైన్. టీమ్, టుమారో ఆల్సో విల్ టేక్ ద క్లాస్ కేర్. టీమ్, ఎనీవన్ హ్యావ్ ద ఆఫీస్ టుమారో? నోనా? Will
No.
you join tomorrow?
So for 1 hour, the same timing.
I will take at least 2.5 hours. Same timing only. I don't want to extend it. Like 7:30 to 9:30 I will take it. Okay, or only 1 hour can I take it?
1 hour, sir.
Only 1 hour? Okay, 1.5 hours I will take it, Samir.
Yeah, same 7:30 to 9.
Yeah. And whatever the confusion is there today class, that confusion I need you to clear it tomorrow.
Okay.
Next one, after that, protected I need you to clear. And after that I need you to go for if any other concepts are there, then that other concepts I need you to complete it. Okay, na?
Okay.
Respond. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
Tomorrow
you.
also we have the class. Bye.
Okay.